During many cymbal ensembles, you will see the players kneel down and play the cymbals on the ground. We call these grounders, and you can get a lot of different sounds from this technique. You can perform hinge chokes, slams, and crashes off the floor from this position, and you can alter the sounds depending on the pressure applied on top of the cymbals, as well as keeping your fingers on or pulling them off of the cymbals. You can alter the sound produced even more by changing the playing surface. For instance, if you are on a wooden floor, you will get a specific sound, but if you want an even deeper and more muffled sound, you can lay some rubber liner down to play on. Another example for a really deep sound is playing on wooden boxes or enclosed wooden risers, which react just like speaker boxes. If you want a high-pitched sound, you can purchase a thin sheet of metal to play on. We normally set the cymbals slightly under the knee to give them a solid pivot point.